Hello, my name is Mr. Maratea. I'm from the PE Health Department at Hill House High School. Um, I teach high school health and sports medicine. I'm just going to go over a few things about myself and about the class, and then we will go over course expectations and contact information in case you need to contact me at any point during the school year. So this is my 8th year at Hill House, 8th year overall, 4th at Hill House in New Haven. I'm a big football and basketball fan. I attended Southern Connecticut State University for my bachelor's degree in exercise science and my master's degree in health education. I have two daughters, a 6-year-old, Madison, and a 4-year-old named Mia. So just a little bit about what high school health is. The most important thing, it is a 1-credit graduation and state requirement. So everyone now needs to take health a full year. Some of the topics that we're going to be covering are mental and emotional health, social health, and physical health. Some of the other topics are drug abuse and prevention, human development, nutrition, mental and emotional health, and they'll have an opportunity to learn first aid and CPR. Students will develop the necessary skills needed to develop a healthy lifestyle and practice communication skills through a variety of activities. As the course progresses, students will be active participants in their own learning by using the skills and concepts learned in class and be able to apply them in real life situations. So that is if your son or daughter is taking high school health. So if your son or daughter is taking sports medicine is an elective class. It is a class, exploratory class about different pathways that you can have in sports, whether it be athletic trainer, strength coach, statistician, sports management, and we're going to kind of briefly go over all the careers and go over some basic sports medicine concepts like very common sports injuries, taping, and stuff like that. Anything to do with sports. So that's sports medicine. That is an elective if your son or daughter is taking that. So the course expectations for either class, high school health or sports medicine, I put be polite, prompt, prepared, positive, and productive. Be respectful of your classmates and your teacher, and act like an adult. So the makeup policy. If you are absent from class, it is your responsibility to get the work you missed from me when you get back. Failure to do that will result in the assignment being turned into a 0. The good thing is all the work, about 95% of the work, will be on Google Classroom. So if you miss an assignment, it's as easy as going to your Google Classroom, seeing what you missed, and submitting it right there through Google Classroom. The late work policy, if you are late with something, you have 2 weeks to turn it in. After the 2 weeks is up, you will end up having a 0 for the assignment. But if it's within the 2 weeks, you'll get half credit for the assignment. So the big thing is try to get your work done as soon as possible or right on time. If you have an issue or concern, or if you're having trouble with the assignment or you need more time, you just need to communicate with me and I will do my best to accommodate your request. And here's my contact information. Contact me anytime via email, questions, concerns. There's my 2 emails. Either one is fine. I check both of them very regularly. Also, if you want to have a Google Meet, that's also available. Obviously, that'll have to be by appointment to make sure it works out time-wise for yourself, for myself, and your time as well. But if you ever need any questions or concerns, anytime you need anything, just email me and I'll try to get back as soon as possible. All right, thank you and hope you have a great day.